Do you want to temporarily turn off your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you how to disable or enable a network adapter using the classic network connections window. Then, I'll show you the same option through Windows settings. Let's do it. Hi everyone, welcome to the CNATT channel. Disabling a network adapter only turns off that specific connection. For example, if you disable the Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, that connection will stop working until you enable it again. It does not remove the adapter or uninstall the driver. Now let's start with the fastest method. Open the Start menu, type Network Connections, then select View Network Connections under Best Match. Here you can see your network adapters in the Classic Network Connections window. You may see adapters like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Bluetooth network connection, or virtual adapters created by VPN software or virtual machines. Find the adapter you want to turn off. For example, if you want to disable Wi-Fi, look for Wi-Fi. Right-click it, then click Disable. The adapter will be disabled. To enable it again, right-click the same adapter, then click Enable. This method is fast, clear, and useful if you prefer the classic control panel style. Now let's do the same thing from Windows settings. Right-click the Start button, then select Network Connections. This will open the Network and Internet Settings page. You can also right-click the network icon on the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Under Network Adapters, find the adapter you want to turn off. For example, if you want to disable Wi-Fi, look for Wi-Fi. Click Disable next to that adapter. Windows will disable that network adapter. To enable it again later, go back to the same page. Find the same adapter, then click Enable. After a moment, Windows will turn it back on. That's the settings method. That's how you disable or enable a network adapter in Windows 11. You can use this to temporarily turn off Wi-Fi, disable Ethernet, or turn a specific adapter back on later. Just remember, this only affects the adapter you choose. It does not uninstall the driver or reset the entire network. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.